Assuming your landlord refuses to take care of a repay that is his responsibility, and at the same time unreasonably withholds consent for you to go ahead and fix that damage, what do you do? Should you go ahead to fix the damage? And if you do, will you get your money back? How? Now, you can go ahead and fix the damage, and you can also get your money back. But getting a refund would depend on a number of conditions. So you can sue your landlord to recover the money you spent on the repay. But the court will take certain things into consideration. Number one, did you inform your landlord of the damage? Then time. How many days did you give him? Did you just inform him today and then the next day you are taking that to be, and maybe the next day he's not responding well and you're taking that to be him unreasonably withholding consent? That is not going to suffice. And then another thing the court will also take into consideration is whether this damage is such that the house is unfit to live in. Is it such that failure to do this thing would affect either your health or your safety? Then the amount of money you spent on the repay will also be taken into consideration. Like I said in the other video, not when you have seen options, choices, and you are going for the higher version. You're supposed to be reasonable in your spending so that you can get the money back. But you're going for something very, very extravagant. The court will take that into consideration also. So once the court is satisfied that you notified your landlord properly, and then you gave him time also, that is a reasonable time to respond to your requests. Not just notifying him of the damage today, and then the next day you jump to take actions. And then the court is also satisfied that the repay is very, very necessary, and that failure to do that repay will affect either your health or your safety. Yes. And then also that the amount of money you used is reasonable. The court is going to order your landlord to pay you the money you spent. You will get your money back when all these conditions are fulfilled. I hope this helps.